Let's talk about something a lot of people do, but rarely admit. Bed rotting. Staying in bed all day, scrolling, drifting, numbing the mind with endless noise. And no, it's not laziness, it's psychology. Bed rotting happens when the brain is overwhelmed but under-supported. It's a silent signal that your system is begging for relief. Think about it. When someone stays in bed all day, they're not resting, they're escaping. Escaping decisions, responsibilities, emotions, and expectations. The bed becomes a sanctuary and a cage. Psychologists call this shutdown mode. It's what the brain does when it's exhausted but still overstimulated. You're too tired to function, but too wired to rest. So you scroll. Scroll to distract. Scroll to forget. Scroll because the mind needs noise to drown its own thoughts. This is not comfort, it's coping. Deep down, bed rotting is often connected to 4 hidden struggles. 1. Emotional overload. When life becomes too heavy, your brain turns off the action switch and activates freeze mode. You're not choosing stillness. Stillness is choosing you. The bed becomes a place where nothing is required of you. 2. Decision fatigue. Every notification, every message, every responsibility adds pressure. Scrolling requires 0 decisions, 0 risk, 0 vulnerability. It becomes the easiest form of existence. 3. Burnout disguised as comfort. People think burnout looks loud, crying, panic, chaos, but often burnout is quiet. It's lying in bed, not moving, not caring, not feeling. It's the body whispering, please stop. 4. The need for escape. The online world gives quick dopamine hits, tiny sparks of pleasure in a long tunnel of numbness. Cats, memes, videos, aesthetic rooms. Your brain grabs anything that feels easier than reality. But here's the truth we don't talk about enough. Bed rotting doesn't come from weakness, it comes from depletion. It's the mind saying, I'm overwhelmed, and the body replying, then stay still. But bed rotting has a cost. The more you stay in bed, the harder it becomes to get out. The more you scroll, the more your focus fractures. The more you escape, the less your life feels like yours. So how do you break the cycle? Not by force, not by shame, not by just get up and be productive. No. You break the cycle gently by giving your brain small wins. Stand up for 2 minutes, open the window, drink water, move your body for 30 seconds. You don't need a full comeback. You just need a spark, a tiny interruption to the loop. Because bed rotting is not your identity. It's a symptom, a message, a call for care. And when you finally answer that call, your life slowly returns to you. Your energy returns, your clarity returns, and the world feels a little less heavy. Bed rotting may be where you pause, but it doesn't have to be where you stay.